Today I'm going to show you how to use Quizizz in your classroom with your students. Quizizz is a student-paced formative assessment. It is very similar to Kahoot, which many of you have probably played before. Go ahead and go over here to log in. Click on that. You're going to log in with your Gmail. It logs you in, you see my picture over here. All right, and this is kind of your home screen right here. This is where you can use the search bar to search. We could type in magnets and we could search that. You could also come over here and you could create a quiz, or you could also look at quizzes that you have saved here. You've got reports that will show you from each quiz that the students take in here. These are memes that you can add to your quizzes, and then also a collection of your quizzes. We're going to start over here today, though. We're going to type in magnets. You can also see that there are the tags here that you could click on as kind of like your filters. So click enter. And a bunch of already pre-made quizzes comes up right here. You can kind of search through them. But you also come up here to the sort by, and you could sort the quizzes that are available. So I'm going to do most relevant. I'm going to filter by grades, elementary. And so this will show me all of the elementary quizzes. One cool thing that Quizizz does is when you hover over the quiz, if you look over here, it gives you a preview of the quiz that you hovered over. So instead of clicking on it, looking at all the questions that's in that quiz, you can, like I said, hover over it, come back over here, and it shows you all of the different questions. And if you were to like that quiz, you could click play. Let's come over here and look at that one. So again, see how it changes it as you hover over each one. All right. Here's some just information about each quiz as well. How many times it's been played is here. The specific grade levels within elementary is here. How many people liked it. When it was created. You could also like it, or you also could add it to your library. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one just to show you what it looks like once you click on it. Again, it gives you those same data here. It tells you the average accuracy for all of the participants who have played that quiz. And then it has another tag right there for you as well that says physics. It shows you again all of the different questions as you scroll down. If you want to play this game live, which would be in your classroom with your students, you would click Play Live. If you want to assign this quiz for homework, which is where your students can go online, they can go onto Quizizz.com and they can use the code that you give them to take the quiz at home for homework. Down here, there's three little things we can do. We can duplicate it, we can print it, or we can share it. If, let's say that you really love this quiz, but maybe the person who created this quiz didn't include one or two topics that you want to add, or maybe there are some things in that quiz that the person who created it added that maybe you didn't cover or you haven't yet covered in your lessons, you can click duplicate. When you click duplicate, it takes you to a new quiz that it's the exact same one as this. But you're able to then edit it. It kind of adds a new little tab right here, and it shows you how to edit it. Let's see if I duplicate it. There you go. It duplicates it for you. There's a new one, and you can then edit it as well. I'm going to go back, though. All right, so let's say we want to play this live in our classroom with our students. We can play live and proceed. All right, this game code right here is the code. Right here is the code that the students are going to put into their iPads once they go to either the Quizizz app or the Quizizz website. As students start to join the quiz, it will show you how many students are popping up right here. And then as soon as all the students have joined and you are ready to play, you can click start. It's not going to let me do that, obviously, because I don't have any students in the game. But that's how you play the game. I can't really show you on here what it looks like once you're in the game. So you will have to find a quiz or make your own quiz and use this with your students in your classroom.